We're here at the Xiaomi Fan Festival and coincidentally with the launch of the Redmi Note 12 series. So let's check out what really happens at the Xiaomi Fan Festival. The Xiaomi Fan Festival is an annual event for Xiaomi to express their appreciation and commitment to its fans. It's a sort of community gathering for all Xiaomi fans and sometimes media to meet up and take a look at the huge variety of products that Xiaomi has, to talk about the progress and the future of the company. There are also usually some pretty crazy promos taking place at the same time for pre-orders and launches altogether. For example, for this event that I attended, it was also the launch of the Redmi Note 12 series, including the Redmi Note 12, Redmi Note 12 5G, up to the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G. Now these devices are pretty incredible considering their price point. We've also dropped a quick which device should you pick video on our channel, so make sure you check that out. But at the Xiaomi Fan Festivals, fans got the opportunity to get a hands-on on these devices in person and experience it for themselves, even before the launch. The pre-order promo has already begun from the 6th through the 13th of April in conjunction with the Xiaomi Fan Festival. Xiaomi is also giving out a free Redmi Smart Band 2 for every purchase of the Redmi Note 12 series. Official sales start 14th of April onwards, for which the prices can be found down below in the description. There's also a special exclusive Xiaomi Fan Festival 2023 promotion valid from the 6th of April to the 15th of April, where with the purchase of the Redmi Note 12 5G and the Redmi Note 12, you can get a free Redmi Smart Band 2. Purchasing the Xiaomi 13 gets you a free Redmi Buds 4 set. Redmi 12C if you purchase, you get a free Xiaomi in-ear earphones. And if you purchase the Redmi Pad, you get the Xiaomi Store voucher. In addition to that, during the Xiaomi Fan Festival period from the 6th to the 16th of April, you receive a free gift, which is the Xiaomi Bunny Doll Sticky Note Holder, if you send in your Xiaomi or Redmi smartphone for repair at any Xiaomi service center. If not that, you can take a creative photo with your Xiaomi or Redmi phone, make sure you turn on the watermark, post them on your Facebook or Twitter, and make sure you tag Xiaomi Support at Xiaomi Support on Facebook, and that it also makes you eligible. And of course, if you follow Xiaomi Support on Facebook and Twitter, it also makes you eligible all during this period to win that gift. Now I know that was a lot of info, so check out the description if you want to know about everything in detail, better explained probably. This is a limited time promotion though, so I would definitely recommend not missing out on it if you plan to purchase the Redmi Note 12 series. It's obviously pretty great seeing smartphone companies interact with and appreciate their fans in such a fashion, and we definitely want to see more of this in the future. It was actually pretty cool to see all these fans come in and interact with the company directly, take a look at all these new products even before they're launched, and actually get a say in what the future of the company is. Pretty awesome. I definitely want to see more of this. So there you guys have it, the Xiaomi Fan Festival 2022. Really hope you guys enjoyed this. A little bit of what goes on here. We will be doing a full review on all of those devices, so make sure you guys check that out on our channel and subscribe. See you again in the next video. But then,